Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 238 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about choosing softness in a hard world. When life feels heavy, remember, you don't have to meet it with force. You can meet it with gentleness. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Now, say to yourself, I soften my heart. I allow ease. And I choose gentleness. Breathe into this softness. Let it remind you that peace begins within. When you're ready, gently return to the present and carry your day with this lightness inside you. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.